We're going to turn things over to Weather First meteorologist David Holtman. The sun is shining out there, but I know we had the rain yesterday. Is there any more that we could look forward to during this week? I think we need it.
Yeah, we've been dry for the last few weeks into the last month or so. So now we're starting to see we're in this pattern of where the daytime hours have been sunny, just kind of like it is right now. But in the nighttime, we could start to see those isolated showers and storms. And you can see the isolated nature of all the rain based off our rainfall estimate over the last 48 hours. Some places picking up nothing, others picking up to an inch of rain. That's just from Monday's storms. Could see some storms going into tonight, less likely, but still possible. And into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those showers and storms are possible. Over satellite and radar, you can see clear skies, some showers and storms starting to pop up north and south of Cedar Rapids. But really, off to our west, that'll be the bigger chance of those showers and storms as we go throughout our Tuesday. So we've been talking about the rain, but we're also talking about those temperatures finally starting to cool off. We'll be warm through Thursday, but then finally we'll have a cold front push through, which could knock our temperatures all the way back down into the 70s. And then we'll have an active stretch once that cold front arrives by the end of the week. Temperatures right now, we're sitting pretty nice and sunny, abnormally warm for where we are normally this time of year. Temperatures into the 80s. And then if you look over throughout the rest of the daytime hours, we'll start to introduce some cloud cover as those isolated showers start to form. But overall, we'll get rid of that once we get to the evening, and then we'll rinse and repeat the cycle once we get to Wednesday. So let's time this all out here. Looking over the next 5 days, we could see really the daytime hours and the evening hours. That's when we see the highest chance. But really, once we have that cold front push through Thursday and Friday, that's where we could start to see some of that heavier rainfall, especially in some places that's already seen rain earlier this week. Timing that out here with Predictor, we could see that southwesterly wind pushing up that warm air. Most of the rain is going to stay off to our west for tonight. Could see an isolated shower pop up. Shouldn't be as widespread as last night. Once we get to Wednesday morning, off to our west, once again, that's where we could see those showers and storms. And once we get to the evening hours, those showers and storms will start to push their way on in. We do see a high pressure system off to our east, which could keep some of the eastern counties dry. But overall, we're just going to see that isolated nature of showers and storms. Once we get to about Thursday and Friday, then the cold front will push through, and that's where we start to see those widespread heavier amounts that we've been talking about. We're talking about rainfall totals anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, especially the further west you go. But then once you get off to the east, that's when we're starting to see some of those rainfall totals all the way down to about ½ an inch. So then we're talking about warm temperatures, especially Wednesday, Thursday, all the way up till that cold front moves through. But then we'll still be above normal once we get to the weekend with temperatures in the upper 70s.
Thank you, David. And there's a live look from our Skycam in Dubuque. Iowa's News Now will be right back.